Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. How to the fixing the issue, the error fetching the reward error problem, and error problem the Fortnite website. The reward enable the error problem, and error problem the error fetching rewarding error problem. But any solve the issue this video and problem step by step, the problem the solution update now. And first of all, the Apex games and reset the game and Fortnite. The Fortnite internet connection, the checking the speed testing the error problem. But internet speed the check the Xbox and PS4 and error problem the checking. Internet connection the checking, and second step the verification your Apex game, the account logging and verification, the accounting, the etc. and PlayStation and Xbox the verification, and second step the crashing and problems. But any mostly problem the update Fortnite new version update the game. The second step the 7 repair the Fortnite games, and technical issue the error and same procedure but any solve the issue. 9 question and completed the sport team the error problem share the easily problem the solution updates as sport team the sport Fortnite games share the now.